Dears, this is the second part 2 introduction video. So let's start. The topic is perfect cube again, and the question, what kind of question you will get it here is, I have taken the two examples. If you see, suppose these numbers are already given and it has been told that it is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. So what number should be multiplied? What is the smallest number that should be multiplied with these numbers to get a perfect cube? So you have to find that smallest number that should be multiplied with these two numbers to get a perfect cube. This is not a perfect cube. I'm again telling you, question has already told you this is not a perfect cube. Now you have to find the smallest number that should be multiplied with these two numbers to get a perfect cube. Okay, let's start. Again same, let's start with 256. You need to do the prime factorization of 256. So by doing it, you know how to do it. How many 2's we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's write 256 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is not here now for now. So 8 2's are there, the prime numbers. 8 2's I have written here. Now let us make a triplets. So pair of 3, again pair of 3, but here it's not the pair of 3. If you see, this is not a pair of 3, only 2 times 2 is there, isn't it? So to make it pair of 3, how many 2 should be multiplied? 1 2 should be multiplied, isn't it? That's why I've written with the red pen. So 1 2 should be multiplied. So the answer is, the smallest number that should be multiplied with 256 to get a perfect cube is 2. If you multiply with 2, this will also become a perfect triplet. So if all the factors are in triplet, then it is a perfect cube, isn't it? So if you multiply 2, it will also become a perfect cube. Okay, one more example if you have not understood. 392. By doing the prime factorization of 392, we get 3 times 2 and 2 times 7. So let's write 3 times 2 and 2 times 7. So now if you make a pair of triplets, 2 has a pair of triplet, but 7 is not in the pair of triplet. So to make it a pair of triplet, what you have to add? Multiply one more 7, isn't it? Then it will become a pair of triplet. That means, what is the answer? 7 should be multiplied with 392 to be a perfect cube. Are you clear? Okay, this is very easy, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next topic. Same question. This is not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Now a bit slight change is there in the question. Here it is what number should be multiplied, but here it is what number should be divided. So it is almost same. Okay, let's start. 81. If you do the prime factorization of 81, you get 4 times 3. So let's write 4 times 3. Okay, now if you make a pair of triplets, this 3 is in the pair of triplet, so this is extra. 3 is extra, isn't it? That means this should be removed. So what should be removed? The same number should be divided. Like 1 3 should be removed, so you will divide with 1 3. So the smallest number that should divide 81 is 3. If you divide 81 with 3, then this 3 will be removed and it will be a perfect cube, isn't it? Suppose my dears, look at here, what should be divided? If this question has given this number, so then what will be the answer? Here this 2 7 has no triplets, so you need to divide with 2 times 7, that is 49 here. If it is what should be divided, then in multiply what should be added, you have to write that as answer. If 1 7 is added, it will become a triplet. So that's why that is the answer of multiplication. So in division, what should be removed? 2 7 should be removed. So 2 7 is the answer. 7 7 49 is the answer. Are you clear? Okay. Okay, let's move to the introduction video part 3 of this chapter.